こんにちは。今日はグノンアペン国立公園にサラワクフォレストコーポレーションの幹部の皆様と訪問しています。ここでは、2005年から活動していることをいろいろと紹介したいと思い、私たちは今日グノンアペン国立公園に来ました。Line planting. In between, we have fruit trees.
This line planting, how far?
This one is maybe 20 to 25. This one.
Okay.
They are sponsored from through JMA 10 years for 300 hectares. Plus now another 5 years to extend for education purpose. That's why we started to students to come to do tree planting activities here.
Okay.
It's very good and together with the local community.
Oh, sure.
Sometimes it's the kampong people like Uncle Apeng.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Gunung Apen nursery is all managed by the local Kampong Tonibong village people. Actually, this is for the workers. It's all from the third generation now. Since 2005, their grandfather, their father, now it's their children. And work with them is from 17 years already. So yeah, and now it's like this welding we do it. Seeds is not every year we can collect that, so we have to do such kind of seedling to be raising up. So every year continue to do replant and planting, you know. So this is my experience. So I'm very happy to share with this experience to the local young generation. Actually, Gunung Apen is very young people. Vincent is very long walking, right? He said that it's really happy that it's now it's natural park taken care by SSC. Gunung Apen is not Gunung Apen. Gunung Apen National Park. This is for.
How big is this now?
今日はグノンアペン国立公園にサラワクフォレストコーポレーションの幹部の皆様と訪問しています。
Hi, very good morning to everybody. This is my first time to this Gunung Apeng National Park, and I'm very impressed with what the Japan-Malaysia Association has been doing. And you know, we can even see a tree which has been planted by my predecessor, and it's been growing big since 2008. And I would like to thank and also to ensure that there's continuous support by the Japanese through the JMA, so that we can have a better place for not just for Sarawakians, but also the Japanese to come here to look at what they have been doing, and also as well to the community. And this is really something, in my view, is quite an impressive jobs that have been done since 20 years ago. So with that, I again say thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu. Come back here again. Yeah. Put more effort, put in more fun, so that we can live in a beautiful world. Thank you very much.
Done. Okay. Your Japanese ready?
Ohayo gozaimashita. I'm also Bracken. I'm at Gunung Apeng National Park. looking at the trees that Sarawak and Japanese had planted 17 years ago. So I'm very happy I hugged the tree, that this is now my friend. And I would like our Japanese friend to come back and hug their tree and continue to look after it till the future. Because this is a very, very good project, an exemplary project between international, local agencies like Forestry, local communities who had been putting effort to make sure that our planet Earth continue to provide oxygen. Thank you very much to our Japanese counterpart who had contributed.
Say hello, Madam.
Hi. My boss also Bracken. So in future, international students wanted to do research, we can do that.
Good.
JMA always sponsor for that also.
So orang kampung dia punya nursery di belakang rumah. Dia ambil anak buluh kan. Dan so ada tinggi sikit, ada jual kepada orang yang mau beli lah.
You see, this
Kalau
is
boleh
good.
buat di rumah, kalau kita orang perlu kita akan beli. Kita akan tengoklah kualiti bagus ke apa kah. Welcome to Apeng.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.